And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a couple salmon fillets, size of my hand, maybe a little bit smaller. This is farm raised. I typically cook wild caught salmon, but I went with the farm raised because frankly, they needed to sell it by the day after tomorrow, so they sold them for like $5 combined. So I save about 50–60%. So I said, okay, I'll cook it today. I buy it today and I cook it today. So first thing, make sure the room temperature and that you have a lemon. And you're going to squeeze this baby. Have aluminum foil, by the way. You're going to do everything here in the aluminum foil. Then what you're going to do, you're going to put a little bit of pepper, ground black pepper. And you're going to put some salt. I have what they call seaweed salt. I imported this from Iceland, but you can go with regular salt. And I'm making these flavors here, adding these flavors to this baby. You don't put a lot. You don't want a lot of sodium. I also have some thyme. This one a little bit dry, so I'm going to roll it in. Got some lemon wedge. Going to add them here. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees. So you're gonna have everything ready. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll this baby in the aluminum foil. Okay? Roll it on the aluminum foil. And put it in an oven-friendly pan or cast iron. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cast iron. Let's cook this baby. I said maybe 15–20 minutes. Let's try with 15. And then I'll take a look later. Now you have a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar. I'm going to mix them together. Add a squeeze of lemon and some caraway seed to create those aromatics and nice flavor. So all you do is just mix them together. I like to start with the malt. Then I like to add the soy sauce. I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon, a few drops. And I like to mix this baby together. Then I add some of the caraway seeds for the aromatic, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And once again, mix them together. This stuff is going to add another dimension to the flavor of the salmon. Tastes delicious. So 15 minutes later, let me open this baby. Smelling delicious. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to uncover it. And I think I'm going to let it cook for another 5–6 minutes, okay? Then 5 minutes later, see how it's flaking? That tells you that this baby is ready. See? Yeah, it's flaking. It is ready.